Well, concrete can be a beautiful part of your home, but when you start to have some problems, it can cause major issues down the road. Today, we're going to get some tips from our friends at Frontier Basement Systems on what to look for and how to get those problems resolved in today's Tennessee Home Pros.
Hi, I'm Dustin with Frontier Basement Systems, and today we're going to talk about concrete repair and what causes concrete to sink. First thing we want to talk about is concrete cracks. When concrete cracks, it creates voids in between the concrete, which allows water to be able to get down underneath the concrete, and that washes out the soil that's underneath the concrete, causing larger voids and areas where concrete can settle even further. So we want concrete to be, the beautiful part of our home, and unfortunately, we get soil that washes out from underneath it, causing concrete to be able to settle and crack. Soil washout looks like it has large voids underneath the concrete. It could be water that's coming down from underneath the hill, or just getting in between the cracks and taking the soil away that's underneath that concrete. And you may not even know. You can take a basketball and bounce it around and see if there are hollow spots underneath the concrete, or just visually look around the concrete and see if there's any large gaps or voids. So not only can we fix your home, but we can also protect your home. And we can do that using a couple different things. We'll make sure that we seal all the joints, all the cracks, as well as put a sealer on the concrete that has a lifetime warranty on the concrete itself. Call us today, the All Things Basement Company, and mention Tennessee Home Pros. We'd be happy to come out and give you a free estimate of what it will take to not just fix, but also protect your concrete.